guys, so basically if you just watched that video, it's about if you subscribe to that channel, just comment down below saying like I subscribed or whatever, and I will write your name down, and later on I will make a video of everybody who says that they subscribe, and I will check and I'll make a big shout out. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.